piling na atin. Mula nung ako'y natutong umawi, nagkabuhay muli ang aking paligid. Ngayon bakit muli na lang umibig sa sarili kong pag-ibig? Sa isang mata tayo maririnig mga bibig nagsasabi.
To get it right, what's in my head? I'm feeling. It's alright in the morning and I step outside and I take a breath and get real high and what's going on? And I say, hey, 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 hey. I say, hey, hey, hey.
Come on!
What's going on? And I said, hey, 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 hey. I said, hey,
Hey, hey, hey!
what's going on? Let's listen to some Kiki.
Alone, with my head on the phone, thinking of you till it hurts. I know you hurt too, but what else can we do? Tormented, torn apart. Wish I could carry your smile in my heart. Times when my life seems so long, would it make me believe what tomorrow would bring when today doesn't really know? Doesn't really know. I'm all out of love, so lost without you. I know you were right, believe it. So long, I'm all out of love. Oh, strong enough to take a lot of pain, take a lot of pain. Arigato. Love is like a cloud, it holds a lot of pain. Arigato, basta. Love hurts.
Wala.
Love hurts.
Tama.
Ang sakit naman ang request ni Mama. Nag-hurts talaga yan. Isa yan sa mga kinanta ko sa The Voice. Ano pa yung mga ibang kinanta ko doon? Sana nakakaalala nito.
Ay, it's not.